Hello and welcome student. This is Shubhraj and I welcome you to our online classes here. In the previous video of sentences, we have already discussed that what is sentences and part of sentences there. Okay. So first of all, if you talk about that what is sentences, so sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense by itself. Okay. Second thing what we have discussed there, so parts of sentence, how many parts of sentence there? So there are the two parts of sentence, subject and predicate. Okay, so in this video we are discussing about types of sentences. Okay, in this video we are discussing types of sentences. Okay, so depending upon the meaning and also the tone which the speaker wants to convey through a statement, sentence can be classified into four types. Okay, here types of sentence based on meaning. Okay, whenever we are talking about any sentence and that sentence if we divide it based on meaning, so we can divide it sentence into four types. Okay, so what is the four types here? First one is declarative or assertive, second one is interrogative, third one is imperative, and fourth one exclamatory sentence. Okay, you should not got confused that what is declarative and assertive. Both are similar. Okay, both are similar. Okay, so next thing we have here one diagram given, types of sentences. Okay, so assertive, it means declarative, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory. Okay, what you have to do, how to understand the what kinds of sentence this is. Okay, declarative sentence means whenever we are saying anything directly. Okay, when we state something, that is called declarative sentence. Interrogative sentence, it is very simple. Whenever we are asking any question, that is called interrogative sentence. Okay, at the end of the sentence there is question marks. Okay, so we can find out that it is a interrogative sentence. Okay, so in a imperative sentence, it may be the instructions, request, command and request and advices, so that is called imperative sentence. At last, exclamatory sentence, whenever we have some feelings, whenever we have some sudden and the strong feeling and that we are expressing at that time, so we can say that is exclamatory sentence. Okay, as per the diagram is given here, so the declarative sentence can be two types: affirmative, it means the positive sentence, and negative sentence. Okay, in an interrogative sentence it can be also two types. Whenever we are talking about yes and no question, like do you like to study English? Okay, and second thing is double H question. Okay, whenever we are starting any sentence with WH, like whom, where, who, that is called WH. Okay, third one is imperative sentence, so it means it may be the any command, it may be the any request, it may be any advice. Okay, so in a exclamatory sentence, whenever we are expressing our sudden feelings and strong feelings, so we can say that is called exclamatory sentence. For example, how beautiful the morning sky is. Okay, so it is our strong feeling. Okay, it is our sudden feeling and strong feeling, so we are exclaiming. Okay, we are exclaiming it, so that is called exclamatory sentence. Okay, so near there, first we have the definition here about assertive sentence. Okay, we have the definition of assertive and declarative sentences here. Okay, so these sentence state or declare something. Whenever we are talking the direct thing, there may be the universal truth. Okay, and we can say that thing directly and declare something, that is called declarative and assertive sentence. For example, owl flies in the forest. Okay, the sun rises in the east. Okay, so both sentence refer to the universal truth. Okay, that's why we can say the both sentence given here, both are the example of assertive or declarative sentence here. Okay, so here assertive sentence can be affirmative, it means the positive, and negative. Okay, for example, it's hot today, it is the example of affirmative, and it is not hot today, it is the example of negative. Okay, so next thing, do you like tea? And after completing the sentence there is a question marks here. Okay, who will do the work? and after completing the sentence there is question marks here. Okay, so these sentences ask question and end with the question marks. Such sentences are called interrogative sentence. Okay, so it is a very simple sentence, everyone can find it out that what kind of sentence it is. So whenever anyone asking any question, okay, any question, okay, anyone asking any question, at the last of the sentence you will see the question marks, so that means that is interrogative sentence. Now read this sentence: leave the room immediately. Okay, it is order given by anyone. Please lend me some money, it is request. Now study hard if you want to success. Okay, study hard if you want to succeed, it means someone giving advice here. So these sentence gives order, commands or advice or make request and are called imperative sentence. Okay student, whenever you will see any sentence and in that sentence you will recognize any order, command, advice and request, it means that is the types of sentence imperative sentence. Okay, at last we have here, look at these sentences. Alas, we lost the match. Okay, second, how beautiful the rose is. Okay, so we know very well that all those, it means all these example are the sudden feeling and the strong feeling. Okay, so these sentence express strong or sudden feeling and are called exclamatory sentence. They end in an exclamation marks. Okay, whenever we are discussing about the exclamatory sentence, at the end of the sentence, it may be the in the between of the sentence there is exclamation sign. Okay, there is exclamation sign, so we can say that it is the example of exclamatory sentence. Okay, okay, so student, we have already discussed how many types of sentence here. Okay, on the basis of meaning, so there are the four types of sentence: assertive or declarative, imperative, exclamatory or interrogative sentence. Okay, so at the end of the chapter we have some exercise here. Okay, so I will tell you that how to solve out these exercise. Exercise number C, you will see here, rearrange each set of jumbled words into a meaningful assertive sentence with the proper punctuation and capitalization. It means you will see here. Okay, so rearrange the set of jumbled, it means the order got changed. Okay, the sentence is given here but it is not meaningful and the order totally got changed, and what you have to do, you have to make it assertive sentence. Okay, and proper punctuation marks, it means the first sentence should be the capital letter. Okay, and where there may be any comma here at the last of the sentence, there should be full stop. Okay, and question number D, rearrange each set of jumbled words into a meaningful interrogative sentence with proper punctuation and capitalizations. Okay, so this is the same question. The order totally got changed here and it is not a meaningful sentence. So first of all, we will have to do the change this order. Okay, and thereafter we have to make it interrogative sentence. Okay, it means the question marks. Okay, at the last there should be the exact punctuation and the capitalizations. Okay, for example, we can take one example here, have you lunch. Okay, have you lunch for what was, and yesterday's watch match you did. Okay, it means you watch, did you watch yesterday's match. Okay, so at the last we have here the question number E. Okay, rearrange each set of jumbled word into a meaningful exclamatory sentence with proper punctuation and capitalization. What do you have to do from this? These jumbled words also the same as above given. So what you have to make here, we have to make the exclamatory sentence. Okay, what you have to make, exclamatory sentence and proper punctuation marks and capitalization. It means whenever you are starting any sentence, there should be the capital letter at first of the sentence and exclamation marks in the exclamatory sentence. Okay, so student, we have discussed about types of sentence on the basis of meaning, and there are the three exercises. So student, thanks for watching video, take care and goodbye.